finally got that situated. So, here we go. It's another Ipsy bag. This is the bag for August. And this one they did a bit different. So instead of giving me those cute little bags that I normally get, I got this nice little bag here. And I can just smell the products already in the bag. But it's cute. It says Ipsy. Boom. So, I'm gonna open it up and see what's inside. So the first thing I pull out, one of my favorites, face masks. So these, oh hold on. These I believe are charcoal face masks. Let me take these out. So these say, brilliant bamboo charcoal facial sheet mask, powerful detoxifier, pore minimizer. And I got 2 of them, so this is what that looks like. I'll show you the back too. So I've never used a charcoal mask before, and they're both the same. I've never used a charcoal mask before, so this will be new. I'm excited, but I've only ever seen the ones where you have to, like, it's like the cream that you rub on, but this is a sheet mask, so that's even more exciting to me. So, mask. Let's see. We have a watermelon burst setting powder. Looks like this. I'll take it out the box so you guys can see. And if I open it up, don't look in the mirror because my room's messy, but cute. I've never used a setting powder before, so here's to something new. So then we have Balance Me Congested Skin Serum. This is probably gonna be bomb for me. Thought there was nothing in there for a second. Almost like it was spilling out. It smells like it'll do the job. I don't know if that really smells like, but whatever. That's that. I have to really try this one today. After cleansing, apply to blemishes over any area that is prone to breakouts. Okay. This is Laura Geller. It's a long wear eyeliner. It's a brown eyeliner. I've never had a brown eyeliner before, so I'm gonna actually go ahead and open this, but let me show you first. Boom. So now I'm gonna open it. I actually am excited to use this. Interesting. We'll see. TBD or TBU, to be used. And this one, now obviously I have an obsession with like lipsticks, but more so the matte lipsticks. Clearly I didn't need another one, but I have another one because they offered, so why not? So that's this. Isn't that a pretty color? It's so pretty, I don't even want to take it out the packaging, but I must see what this color looks like. Okay, now that we've got that out of the fancy looking case, let's see what the color looks like. So here's the brush, right? It looks almost like the color I have on now. I didn't realize it was this dark. For some reason I thought it was like a red. But either way, it's nice. Pretty. Maybe I'll actually put this back before I mess that up. Okay. Back in the case. And then we have, this is a doctor's scrub. It says Ruby Crystal Microderm Exfoliator. And this is what that one looks like. I kind of want to open it and smell it, but I don't want to take the packaging off of it. So I'm gonna just leave it. Y'all know I like to smell everything. And then last but not least, we have a Cairo ATP Sports Booster. And this is supposed to be for your skin, obviously. I have another one of these, which is I think it's like a vitamin C or something like that, skin booster. And it's amazing. So I can only imagine, well, actually I'm excited to even have this one, because when that one runs out, which is nowhere near, but when that one runs out, I have this one too. So let's show you what that looks like. And take it out so you can see. It actually smells really good too. So yeah, that was it. Everything in the bag. Nothing too exciting. I actually did not order anything extra this time. And then of course I have the little card here, which doesn't really say anything. It kind of tells you the meaning of Cairo and like CBD and hyaluronic acids, which is great, but nothing too fancy. They are doing something new with these. They are doing something new with these where now they are not giving you the cute little bags and you're getting stuff like these, which I think I actually like better. But they're also choosing 2 products for you and you choose 3. I think this was chosen for me this time, and I honestly don't even know. I think it was maybe this setting powder, because I probably wouldn't have chosen this on my own. But I chose the mask, the eyeliner, the lipstick of course, and then the scrub. I like to keep scrubs and masks on deck because my face likes to get a little crazy sometimes. I'm surprised that it's doing fine now. But my face likes to get a little crazy and break out. And so yeah. Oh, I also chose this one. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait. So I must have added something on. Let's rewind. These 2 came with it. These. Oh, that's what's that. These were my other options. And then this, I added on. Makes sense now. So I was about to say, that's way too many products for me to have not added something on. But yeah. So that was it. That was everything that came in my bag this time. I will, of course, put the link to my referral if you guys ever want to try them. They're pretty cool. Like I said, I love that they give me different face masks. I know that sounds crazy, but I like them. I feel like they really do hydrate my skin, and I've always had like really dry skin right here and then oily skin right here, and I feel like everything I've been using has been helping. And I showed y'all before how my face looked when it broke out, and it was terrible. yeah, we don't want to go back there again. That was not the way. So maybe one day I'll do like a full what was I saying? I lost my train of thought. Maybe one day I'll do a like skin routine video. A skin routine video so you guys can kind of see what I do on a daily basis. Because although I have all of these products that I've been getting from Ipsy, products don't really run out that fast. So right now I'm using a certain set, and when those go out I'm gonna use another set, and when that goes out I'm gonna use another set. So I kind of just keep these things so that way when I do run out I have more to use, or if I know someone that's having the same issues as me, I can help them out by like, hey, use some of this, try that, and it'll make it so much better. But anyways, done rapping. That's the end of the video. That's it. That's all. Make sure you follow me. Peace.